In this video, we will be comparing Namecheap versus Squarespace. We will compare in terms of features, user experiences, pricing, pros and cons, and other services offered. We will also provide alternatives that offer the same services. Unlock your successful online presence with Namecheap's reliable, user-friendly, and affordable domain and hosting services. Link is in the description box below. And with that in mind, let's get started. Overview. In the realm of web hosting and domain registration, Namecheap and Squarespace are reputable contenders, each providing unique offerings to their users. Namecheap primarily offers domain registration, web hosting services, and SSL certificates, whereas Squarespace is renowned for its website building and hosting solutions. This video delves into the comparison between these two giants in the industry, providing you with an in-depth look at their features, user experiences, pricing structures, pros, and cons. Features. Namecheap. Number 1. Domain registration. Namecheap offers a vast selection of top-level domains to choose from. They also provide new GTDLs, helping businesses get industry-specific domains. Number 2. Web hosting. With various hosting plans such as shared, dedicated, VPS, and WordPress-specific hosting, Namecheap caters to a broad user base, from beginners to experienced developers. Number 3. Free DNS. Users can leverage Namecheap's dynamic DNS service, which translates domain names into IP addresses, ensuring the website remains live. Number 4. SSL certificates. Secure sockets layer certificates, which are crucial for website security, especially e-commerce sites, are provided by Namecheap. They range from basic to advanced security levels. Number 5. WhoisGuard. This feature keeps domain owners' personal information private, protecting them from spam and potential security threats. Namecheap offers it free for the first year of domain registration. Number 6. Website Builder. Namecheap's Website Builder offers a beginner-friendly approach to create websites. While it's not as comprehensive as Squarespace's Builder, it provides essential tools and templates for quick website creation. Squarespace. Number 1. Website Builder. Squarespace stands out with its state-of-the-art website builder. It uses a drag-and-drop interface, making it easy for users to design and structure their websites without any coding knowledge. Number 2. Templates. Offering a plethora of professionally designed templates, Squarespace ensures that users can create aesthetically pleasing websites. These templates are also mobile responsive, ensuring compatibility across devices. Number 3. E-commerce integration. Squarespace allows users to seamlessly integrate e-commerce functionalities into their websites. From product listings to secure checkout processes, Squarespace handles the e-commerce needs efficiently. Number 4. SEO tools. Built-in search engine optimization tools are part of Squarespace's offering. These tools help in improving the visibility of the website on search engines. Number 5. Analytics. Users can get insight into their website's performance using Squarespace's analytics tools. This feature helps in understanding visitor behavior and optimizing the website for better engagement. Number 6. Extensions. Squarespace offers various extensions and third-party integrations, allowing users to add extra functionality to their sites, such as advanced e-commerce capabilities, booking systems, and more. User experiences. Customers use Namecheap for its straightforward, user-friendly interface and responsive customer support. The platform is known for its reliability and security, making domain management hassle-free. However, some users have mentioned encountering issues during the domain transfer process. Squarespace users frequently commend the platform for its sleek, professional-looking templates and ease of use. While it empowers users with no coding skills to create visually appealing websites, some customers have noted that its e-commerce functionalities could be enhanced for more complex online stores. Pricing. Namecheap. Domain registration. Namecheap offers domain names starting as low as 99 cents for the first year for certain TLDs. However, the renewal prices can be higher, so users need to check the cost of subsequent years. Web hosting. Shared hosting begins at $1.44 per month, which is quite affordable for beginners. The shared hosting plan prices increase depending on the level of resources and features needed by the user. VPS hosting, which offers more dedicated resources, begins at $11.88 per month. SSL certificates. Namecheap's SSL certificates start from around $8.88 per year, and prices vary depending on the level of validation and security needed. WhoisGuard. WhoisGuard subscription is provided free of charge with every eligible Namecheap domain registration or transfer, offering privacy protection at no extra cost. Website Builder. The Website Builder comes included with Namecheap's shared hosting plans at no additional cost. Additional services. Email hosting starts at 94 cents per mailbox per month, and VPN services are priced at $1.88 per month, providing affordable solutions for communication and privacy respectively. Squarespace. Personal plan. Priced at $12 per month, billed annually, the personal plan is for individuals and small websites. It includes free custom domain, SSL security, unlimited bandwidth and storage, and basic website metrics. Business plan. At $18 per month, billed annually, the business plan offers more features and advanced analytics, promotional pop-ups, and a fully integrated e-commerce platform with a 3% transaction fee. Commerce Basic. For $26 per month, billed annually, users get a more advanced e-commerce solution with no transaction fees, customer accounts, and additional e-commerce analytics. Commerce Advanced. Priced at $40 per month, billed annually, this plan provides enhanced e-commerce features including subscription selling, abandoned cart recovery, and advanced shipping. Additional services. Squarespace also offers add-ons and integrations with third-party services, some of which may have additional costs associated with them. Pros and cons. Namecheap is a cost-effective one-stop shop for various website services, primarily offering low-priced domain. Its user-friendly dashboard simplifies the domain acquisition and management process for beginners, backed with a supportive team for troubleshooting. It also offers free privacy protection for your domain registration. However, Namecheap's website builder is less sophisticated than competitors, with limited design and feature options that might constrain more complex visions for your site. Domain transfer can be slow and sometimes challenging, and beginners may face a learning curve. Squarespace is a premium, all-in-one solution for building and hosting stylish, mobile-optimized websites for various purposes without technical know-how. It provides built-in SEO and analytics tools to enhance and monitor your site's visibility and performance. Despite its user-friendly approach, Squarespace comes at a higher price and may lack advanced e-commerce tools for intricate online stores. It offers limited customization options, and changing templates can be cumbersome, requiring manual adjustments. Other services. Beyond their primary services, both platforms offer additional features. Namecheap provides a simple website builder, email hosting, and VPN services, enhancing your online experience and security. Squarespace offers marketing tools, SEO solutions, and email campaign functionalities, helping businesses not only establish but also grow their online presence efficiently. Alternatives. If Namecheap and Squarespace do not align with your needs, there are alternative options available. For domain registration and hosting, consider GoDaddy or Bluehost, both providing similar services with varying pricing structures. For website building and hosting, Wix and WordPress are excellent alternatives, each offering unique features and templates to cater different user needs. In conclusion, when choosing between Namecheap and Squarespace, it's essential to consider your specific requirements. If you're looking for affordable domain registration and hosting services, Namecheap is a solid option. However, for individuals and businesses seeking a comprehensive website building and hosting solution with a focus on design and ease of use, Squarespace is a worthy contender. By weighing the features, pricing, and user experiences of each platform, you can make an informed decision that best support your online endeavors. Unlock your successful online presence with Namecheap's reliable, user-friendly, and affordable domain hosting services. Link is in the description box below. And there you have it, a comparison between Namecheap and Squarespace. Which platform are you going to go for? Please let me know in the comment section below. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.